After AICC President Sonia Gandhi's visit to the state, the Congress party has now roped in India's Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to boost its election campaign in the last week of campaigning. Mr. Manmohan Singh will visit Goa on Thursday to address the electorate in Sankeli.
Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party filed a complaint to the Election Commission on Monday against the Prime Minister's scheduled meet at the grounds of a government higher secondary school in Sankeli, citing that permission from the concerned authorities has not been given, thereby amounting to a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. The party has also filed complaints against some Congress ministers for allegedly misusing special squads.
They are attempting to use the government ground belonging to a school without permission. This is against the code of conduct on two counts. First of all, it is a government ground. Second, to is a school premises.
आणि गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेज साखळीच्या प्रिन्सिपलाक अजूनपर्यंत इन्फॉर्म करूंक नाशिल्ले. तरी आसतना गव्हर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीन ट्रेसपास करून थंय गव्हर्नमेंट ग्राउंडाचेर खणपाचें काम चालू आसा. बॅरिकेड्स घालपाचें काम बेछूटपणे बेफामपणे आणि इनलिगली काम ते सगळे चल्लेले आसा. आणि
second complaint I have given is because some of the ministers are using escorts, and through the escorts they are distributing money, police escorts again, and they are distributing money and intimidating the voters.
Even the Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navdi, at a press conference on Monday, disclosed that the Election Commission has not yet given permission for the MP's meeting at the ground of the Government Higher Secondary School in Sankeli.
आम्ही काही परमिशन देऊ ना, डायरेक्टर हायर एज्युकेशनान पण अजूनपर्यंत परमिशन देऊ ना. म्हणजे तसे पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार जोपर्यंत जाग्याचे परमिशन दिना तोपर्यंत त्या जाग्यार सभा घेवपाक मेळना. आणि स्पेशली दुसरें एक आसा, डायरेक्टर हायर एज्युकेशनान जे हें केलां ताचे प्रमाणे ते शैक्षणिक क्लासीस चलतात आणि त्या जाग्यार जर सभा घेतली जाल्यार शैक्षणिक जे पळय कोण शिकतात तांकांय त्रास जावंक शकता, मारक अजून करूंक शकता. म्हणून त्या रितान सांगा की ही जागा कितें आमचें परमिशन ना आमचे गायडलायन्सा प्रमाणे, जाल्यार म्हाका तरी दिसता की थंय जावचें न्ही, अन्य खंयची तरी जागा चेंज करची.